The Loqdivr Solar Panel 2-pack is designed to provide continuous and efficient power to your Google Nest camera with its high conversion rate monocrystalline silicon material. Built with sturdy and corrosion-resistant aluminum alloy, these solar panels are engineered for durability and longevity, ensuring they withstand the test of time. With a voltage regulator and a 13.1-foot cable, these panels offer a safe and convenient 24-hour power supply, eliminating the need for frequent battery changes. The solar panels are easy to install and come with multiple protection mechanisms, including overcharging and short-circuit protection, making them safe and reliable. Thanks to its IP65 waterproof rating, the solar panel is suitable for all weather conditions, providing peace of mind during wind and rain. The flexible 360-degree mounting bracket allows for optimal positioning to maximize sunlight exposure, and the package includes all necessary installation accessories.